Hey ladies and gentlemen, you may have heard about the tropical storm called Tropical Storm Elsa, which is coming over Florida tonight. It's already come over some of it, and in only a few hours it's gonna come right above me. Right now it is 10:15, wind speeds are about 7 miles an hour, and it's going to eventually get worse. So here we are outside. It's a very light breeze, and if you see on the trees behind me, the leaves, they're shaking just a little bit. It's calm and peaceful, but this peacefulness, it's gonna change soon. Hey guys, right now it's 9:23 and the storm has just passed. There's nothing serious around me. Everything seems fine, like there aren't stuff like branches all over the ground and stuff like after Irma. There is stuff from the trees I can tell was not here earlier. Like these pieces of pine all over the ground. There's some over there too. It's really small. Also, the clouds above me are moving really fast, if you guys can see. I'm not sure what speed, but they're like really low and quick. I don't know if the altitude is maybe like 300 feet in the air. That's how low they are. There's also these on the ground right here. Those were blown away somehow. I'm sure some small trees fell down too. If you look over here, there's that one leaning tree that's right in the middle. It's always been leaning, but I think after the storm it's leaning a bit more. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I make more videos too, such as vlogs and music videos on my music channel, so check it out. Bye.